Locate the target muscles by imagining you are trying to halt the flow of urine midstream or prevent the passing of gas. Once identified, perform a gentle, internal squeeze and lift of these pelvic floor muscles, ensuring you distinctly feel the tightening around the rectum and urethra, while actively avoiding engagement of the abdominal, gluteal, or thigh muscles. Maintain this contraction or lift for a controlled hold of 3 to 5 seconds, followed immediately by a period of complete relaxation for 3 to 5 seconds. This sequence of contraction, hold, and release constitutes one repetition. For optimal results, you should aim to perform 10 to 15 repetitions to complete one set, incorporating a minimum of 3 full sets into your daily routine. Focus on the second critical step, which is the quality of the contraction itself. Once the correct muscles have been identified, the action is not merely a brief tightening, but a deliberate squeeze and lift designed to effectively build muscle mass and tone the entire supporting structure of the pelvic floor. This conscious, sustained muscular engagement is what drives the desired physiological enhancement, leading directly to improved support, better urinary control, and enhanced overall function. The efficacy of the exercise relies entirely upon this focused contraction to truly strengthen and tone the pelvic floor muscles from within. Intentional relaxation following each squeeze, a step vital for muscle integrity and long-term compliance. Immediately after you complete the sustained contraction, you must completely release the tension in the pelvic floor muscles. This period of release is not simply rest. It actively prevents muscle fatigue from setting in, which would otherwise compromise the quality of subsequent repetitions. Furthermore, this momentary relaxation ensures adequate blood flow and provides the necessary window for muscle recovery, enabling the fibers to prepare for the next targeted contraction and ultimately allowing you to complete your full set with the intended strength and focus. The final and foundational component for realizing lasting benefits is the consistent repetition of the entire cycle. After achieving the proper relaxation, you must immediately return to the initial squeeze and lift, repeating the full sequence of contraction, hold, and release. This systematic and consistent repetition is the direct mechanism by which you build muscle endurance over time, allowing the pelvic floor to sustain its function for longer periods. Moreover, by adhering to this regular sequence, you actively maintain the strength gained from each individual set, transforming a temporary strengthening exercise into a permanent enhancement of support and functional performance. Consult your doctor for medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional care.